Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Star Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. In this video, I would like to teach you decimals or decimal numbers or decimal fractions. This is the part 1 video on this topic. In this part 1, we are going to learn decimal fractions, place value chart for decimal systems, tenth, hundredth, thousandth, alternate relation among the places of decimal number, parts of a decimal number, like decimals, unlike decimals. Let us learn one by one. Decimal fractions. What are decimal fractions? Fractions having 10, 100, 1000 and so on as denominators are called decimal fractions. Let us see few examples. 1/10, 2/100, 7/1000, 11/10,000, etc. In these fractions, we have 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this we have. And also we can write this like this: 1/10 to the power of 1, 2/10 square, 7/10 cube, 11/10 to the power of 4. Place value chart for decimal fractions. Decimal place value chart extended on both directions. We know that every time a digit moves from right to left, the value of the digit increases 10 times, and every time a digit moves from left to right, the value of a digit decreases 10 times. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000, like this increases. Ones, 1 tens are 10, 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 tens are 10,000, like this increases. What about on right side? On right side also decreases 10 times. So 10th of 1, 1/10. 100 times decreases, 1/100, 1/1000. We can write it 0.1, 0.01, sorry, 0.1, 0.001. This is a whole number part. side is decimal part. Here is a between whole number part and decimal part, we have decimal point. What is a tenth? Tenth part of 1 is a tenth. What is 100? 100. Tenth part of 1 by 10, that is 0.1. 0.1. 100. What is 100? 1 part of 100. 1 by 100. That is called 0.01. What is 1000? 1000th part of 1. 1 by 1000. That is called 0.001. What is the alternate relation among the places of decimal number? 10,000, 100, 10 hundredth, 1/10, 10 hundredths, 1, 10 ones, 110, 10 tens, 100, 10 hundreds, 1000. This is the alternate relation. 10,000, 10,000, 100, 10 hundredths, 10 hundredths, 1/10. 10 tenths, 10 tenths, 1 1. 10 ones are 10 units, 10 ones, 110. 10 tens, 100. 10 hundreds, 10 hundreds, 1000. 1000. We have more relations also, but in this decimal chapter we have to know about this. Parts of a decimal number. A decimal number has two parts. They are decimal part and whole number part. Whole number part is also called integral part. Let us see in detail in an example. We know this ones, tens, hundreds. This is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, thousandths. The part to the left of the decimal point is called whole number part. Whole number part, and also called integral part. The part to the right of the decimal point, right of the decimal, this is the decimal point, right of the decimal point is called decimal part. This is a decimal point. Decimal point placed between ones place or units place. Between units place and tenths place. Decimal point is placed between units place and tenths place. This is point number 1. This decimal part always less than the 1. Decimal part is less than 1. The value of decimal fraction is not changed by placing only number of zeros at the end. We can place number of zeros at the end of the right side. Like decimals, unlike decimals. What are like decimals? Decimals having same number of digits in decimal part are called like decimals. Let us see few examples. 1.234, 2.035, 0.764, 0.001. We can observe these decimal places. Decimal part, in this decimal part we have 3 places. In this also 3 places. In this also we have 3 places. In this also 3 places. So these are called like decimals. Next, unlike decimals. Decimals having different number of digits in decimal part are called unlike decimals. Let us see few examples. 1.234, 2.01, 5.123, 0.1. These are unlike decimals. If we observe the decimal part, we can understood. Here we have 3 decimal places. Here 2 decimal places. Here 4 decimal places. Here 1 only. So the different number of digits in decimal part. So these are unlike decimals. We can make unlike decimals as a like decimals very easy. Let us see how to convert unlike decimals to like decimals. In this we have 4 decimal places. That's why we have to make all decimal parts we have to make 4 decimals places. Like decimal, we are converting to like decimals. One point 2, 3, 4. We have to keep 1 0 enough. 2.01, 2 zeros needed. Here 5.1234. No need of adding any zeros. 0.11000. Here 3 needed. Here 2. Here 1. So this is the method of converting unlike decimals to like decimals. Simply keeping zeros at the end of the right side. I think you understood well all about decimal numbers. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. Friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. In this video, I would like to teach you decimals or decimal numbers or decimal fractions. This is the part 2 video on decimal numbers. In this part 2, we are going to learn comparison of decimals, order of decimals, decimal and fractional expansions, converting decimal fraction to decimal number, and addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Let us learn one by one. Comparison of decimals. To compare decimals, first we have to compare the whole number parts. If they are equal, we compare tenths part. If they are also same, we compare hundredths parts, and so on. Let us see few examples. One 123.987, 99.999. To compare this, first we have to compare whole number parts. Whole number part. This is the whole number part. Here we have 123, here we have 99. So 123 is greater than 99. So this first number 123.987 is greater than 99.999. We have to read these numbers individually. 999, 9, 9, 9. 99.999. One more example. One point 998. One point 999. First we have to compare whole number part. These are same. Next tenths part, tenths place. Tenths, these are also same. Next hundredths place, these are also same. Now thousands place, here 8 is less than 9. Therefore second one is greater than 1.998 is less than 1.999, or we can write like this also, 1.999 is greater than 1.998. So this is the method of comparing decimals. Order of decimals. We can arrange decimals in two ways. They are ascending order, descending order. Let us see few examples. One point 234, 0.123, 2.345, 1.2345. First, we can arrange these in ascending order. To arrange in ascending order, we have to select in order. To select in order, I will write here 1.234, 0.123, 2.345, 1.235. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. So we have to choose first smallest one. In this we have to observe this whole number part. In this whole number part, this is the smallest, is the first position. Next second position, this is the first position. Second position, there are two numbers, so this is the larger one, this is the smaller one. So this is second position, this is third position, this is fourth position. Now we can arrange this in ascending order easily. So first 0.123, 1.234, 1.2345, 2.345. So this is the order of ascending order. Next we can arrange this in descending order easily. Big to small, 2.345, 1.2345, 1.234, 0.123. So this is the method of arranging ascending and descending order of decimal fractions. Decimal and fractional expansions. In decimal numbers, we have two expansions. They are decimal expansion, fractional expansion. Let us see one example for this. 123.456. This is a number. We can expand this in decimal expansion first. 1 ones, tens, hundreds. This is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, thousandths. 100 plus 10 twos are 20 plus 3 ones are 3 plus 4 tenths 0.4, 5 hundredths 0.05, 6 thousandths 0.06. So we know this is tenths, hundredths, tenths, hundredths. This is tenths, hundredths. This is thousandths. Thousandths, 6 thousandths. Here fractional expansion. This is the decimal expansion. Here fractional expansion. 120 plus 3, 4 tenths by 10, 5 hundredths, 5 by 100, 6 thousandths, 6 by 1000. This is fractional expansion. Converting decimal fraction into decimal number. To understand converting decimal fraction into decimal number, let us see few examples. 12 by 10. First we have to count the zeros after 1 in the denominator. Here we have 1 0. We have to count from right to left in numerator 1 place. We think here will come that decimal point 1.2. This is the answer. Second example, 34 by 100. Here we have 2 zeros after 1 in the denominator. So in this also we have to count from right to left 2 places. Here decimal point will come 0.34. If there is no digit in whole number part, we have to keep 0. We may keep 0. Without keeping also correct, but to give prominent to this place, we have to keep 0. 0.34. 34 by 100 is equal to 0.34. One more example. 5 6 by 1000. Here we have 3 zeros after 1 in the denominator. Those many places we have to keep in that decimal number. That's why we have to count 1, 2. Here no sufficient places. In that case we have to keep zeros. Those many needed. 1, 2, 3. Here point will come 3, 3. Point 0, 5, 6. To give prominent to this whole number part, we have to keep 0. Addition and subtraction of decimals. While adding or subtracting decimals, we have to write decimal numbers one below the other according to its place values. Let us see few examples. 12.34, 5.6, 7.89, 0. Now we can add this 12.34, 5.6. This is ones, tens, tenths, hundredths. So here also we have to observe ones, tens, tenths, hundredths, hundredths. If there is thousands, that also we have to concentrate. Thousands. 5.6. This is ones, tenths. 5 is in ones place. This is in tenths place. 7.890. 890. This is no value, no need of writing. We must check this decimal point. Is it come one below the other? We have to check this decimal point. No need of writing this. Here no need of writing. While adding decimals, no need of making like decimals. We can add simply like this without keeping 0 also. Here we can add 13, 1, 4, 10, 18, 3, 8, 15. We have to keep decimal point, straight decimal point. 15 to 25.83. Now, example for subtraction. 9.876 minus 8.9754. To subtract this, we have to write one below the other according to its place values. 9876, 8.9754. While subtracting decimals, first we have to make like decimals. To make like decimals, we simply keep zeros as many needed. So now these are like decimals. In this decimal part we have four places. In this also 4 places. That's why these are like decimals. Now we have to subtract as usual. 0 minus 4 not possible. That's why borrow 1 from here. Here 5. 10 will come. 10 minus 4 6. 5 minus 5 0. 7 minus 7 0. 8 minus 9 not possible. That's why take borrow from here. 10 will come. Here we have 8. 18. 18 minus 9 9. So here 8 only. 8 minus 8 0. So this is the method of finding subtraction. I think you understood all about these decimals and addition and subtraction. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.